What's going on, guys? Dwayne here with my investment journey, and I am back again. In this video, I want to talk to you guys about the 8 dividend payments that I got in the month of January that allowed me to get payments up to a little over $600 actually. We're going to talk about every single company. Once again, those are 8 payments that I got in regards to dividend in the month of January. But hey, if you're new to the channel, once again, my name is Dwayne with my investment journey. And on this channel, I talk about how to start investing in the stock market and I show you my investment journey. So be sure to subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Okay, so when it comes to investing in the stock market, I've been doing this since May of 2020, and overall, my experience has been up and down because that's what the stock market does. I've invested $260,000, but right now on Robinhood, it says $259,995 because, of course, Robinhood Gold took their $5 payment. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to jump right onto the computer screen, share my screen with you guys. As you can see, this is live right now. It's currently 3:02 p.m. here in Houston, and my portfolio is valued at $210,000. If I click on all, I'll show you guys that since May of 2020, I've invested $259,995. It's really $260,000, but Robinhood does take their $5 cut for the Robinhood Gold. So of course you can see this is all time. Just to give you guys a quick snapshot, my portfolio has been all over the place. As you can see here, I was up $18,000. I'll just jump way over here where I was down $130,000. Now, of course, that never feels good, but this is real. This is my experience in regards to the stock market. So you're looking at my portfolio right now, and once again, I'm valued at $210,000. Now, it says my buying power here, $157,000. That's because I have Robinhood margin investing that I'm using. So I really don't have $157,000 to make purchases, but that's why it says that. Okay, so we're going to show you guys the 8 dividend payments that I got in the month of January. At the very bottom here, you can see Huntington Bank. I got a dividend payment for $16.74. So that was because at the time I had 107 shares. And as you can see, they're paying 15 cents per share. Okay. Of course, that was reinvested because I have all of my dividend payments reinvested because I have DRIP, which is dividend reinvestment plan, turned on Robinhood. Okay, the next dividend payment is with AG&C Investment for $43.08. At the time, I had 358 shares, and AG&C Investment was paying 12 cents per share. The next one up is Starwood Property Trust on January the 13th. At the time, I had 319 shares, and they're paying 48 cents per share. That was for the total of $153.33. Then the next one up is Stag Industrial. This one pays monthly. At that time, I had 46 shares. I actually sold a lot of my position with Stag, and they're paying 12 cents per share, which allowed me to get a dividend payment of $5.61. All right, the next one up is going to be Prospect Capital. This one does pay dividends monthly. At the time, I had 1,652 shares, and they're paying 6 cents per share, as you can see here, and the payment was for $99.15. The next one up is Amor Residential REIT on January the 30th for $131.64. At the time, I had 1,316 shares. Amor Residential is paying 10 cents per share. And once again, the payment was $131.64. The next one up is MFA Financial on January the 31st. At the time, I had 297 shares, and they're paying 35 cents per share, and the amount was for $104.16. Now, we're going to take a look at all of these companies and show you where I am and what my overall return is. The last payment in January was with Gladstone Capital for $85.22. At the time, I had 1,136 shares, and they're paying 7 cents per share, which allowed me to get, once again, $85.22. Now, once again, I am going to show you guys exactly what my position is in regards to every single company that I am invested. So the first one up is Huntington Bank. So Huntington Bank here, we have a payment of, not a payment, it's trading for $15.23. My average cost per share is $12.44. As you can see here, my overall return is I'm up 22%, which is $304. Okay, the next one up is AG&C Investment, which is currently trading for $11.35. My average cost per share is $13.35. My overall return, I am down negative 15%, which is negative $734. The next one up is Starwood start with Property Trust, currently trading right now for $20.21. My average cost per share is $19.39. My total return is I'm up 4.21%, which is $266. The next one up is Stag Industrial, right now trading for $34.95. My average cost per share is $39.96, and my total return, I'm down 12%, which is negative $234. The next one up is Prospect Capital, which is currently trading for $7.55. My average cost per share is $7.26. My total return, I'm up 3.96%, which is $479. The next one up is Almore Residential REIT, which right now is currently trading for $6.08. My average cost per share is $8.87. I've actually been paying this, buying more shares, grabbing more shares to bring my average cost down, because of course it's going to make me feel a lot better if it's closer to what it's trading for right now. My total return is I'm down a whopping negative 31%, which is negative $5,764. The next one up is MFA Financial, who currently is trading for $11.13. My average cost is $15.07. And my total return is I'm down negative 26%, which is $1,205 that I'm down. And the last one up is Gladstone Capital. As you can see, it's trading for $10.63, and my average cost is $10.79. And my total return, I'm down negative 1.45%, which is negative $179. Okay, what I'm going to do right now is add up all the dividend payments that I got in the month of January. So the first one on January 3rd, you can see for $16. Let me make sure I'm touching the calculator. $16.74. The next one up is going to be $43.08. $43.08. The next one up is going to be $153.33. The next one is going to be $5.61. The next one up is going to be $99.15. And the next one after that is going to be $131.64. Right? Okay. The next one up is going to be $104.16. And then the next one after that is $85.22. And I think that's it. So $638.93. Now, the beauty in investing in stocks that pay you dividends is that this should continue to grow. It will continue to grow over time because you're going to reinvest the dividend payments. Now, I do want to spend a lot more energy kind of focusing on getting some more stocks that pays dividends. I have a lot of my portfolio invested heavily with Apple, Tesla, and Lucid Motor, and also a little bit with Google and Amazon. None of those stocks pay dividends, so I have a lot of money invested with Apple, more than half of my portfolio. So my portfolio is worth $260,000. I have a little more than half of my portfolio invested with Apple. So as you can see, a lot of you guys may be wondering why my dividend payments aren't higher. It's because I don't necessarily have my money invested in companies that pay dividends. Of course, Apple pays dividends, but the dividend payment is so low. I mean, it's 23 cents per share. As a matter of fact, I'm going to be getting a dividend payment from Apple in this month, which is February. So, of course, I'll make a video and kind of keep you guys posted on that. But I just wanted to share with you guys the dividend payments that I got in the month of January. And once again, taking a quick look at my portfolio. This is live as of today and the time that I'm making this video. My portfolio is down $2,712. And as you can see here, the stock market opened for me in Houston around I was going to say 7:30, but it's 8:30. Okay. So my portfolio at that time was valued at $211,000. Took a dip down here to 207. And then, of course, it took the ultimate dip down here to 206 at 11:20 a.m. And right now, it is currently 311. It's worth $210,000. So overall, still very, very down, but I'm going to let the stock market and my investments do what it does over time, which is go back up. All right. If you're not subscribed to the channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the thumbs up in this video. It helps the channel tremendously. All right. Once again, my name is Dwayne with My Investment Journey, and I approve this video. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, take care and be blessed. Peace.